my friends, how are you all doing? Welcome to this video review. You know, I took the liberty to come here today to talk to people who are struggling with hearing disorders. Yeah, I mean, hearing disorders, they are frustrating because various reasons, right? There is the fact that sometimes you are too afraid or embarrassed to ask someone to keep repeating themselves, or sometimes maybe you're in a classroom but you're sitting way back there because you don't like to be way up front, so you can't hear your teacher, you can't hear your professor. I mean, hearing conditions, they damage your cognition because everything is wired up. So if one gets some sort of inflammation, the other one also answers for it, right? And I have seen people who always have some sort of like hearing ache, and they complain that also their memory is really weak. They can't remember where they left their car keys. They can't focus. So yes, and also there is the famous tinnitus. Tinnitus is annoying, right? I mean, guys, who can focus when you always have that beeping, that buzzing, or that ringing sound in your ears? No one can, right? So that is why I took the time to come here today, talk to you about Zencortex. Believe me, I have a brother who one of his hearing is really weak. Every time you're going to talk to him, he has to tilt his head and ask you to basically speak louder or like really slow. I mean, that's annoying, right? I'm going to show you how Zencortex is amazing, and yes, I also recommended Zencortex to him, but stay tuned, guys, because I think that maybe Zencortex is going to be the best solution to your problems ever. And this is a formula that is natural, that is easy to use, that uses Mother Nature ingredients, and that has absolutely no side effects. Now, if you want to read other people's feedbacks of Zencortex, you can go directly to their official webpage as well. I left the link right here below this video because I know that sometimes people like to read feedbacks to relate to a story or two, right? And also on the official webpage, like, they give you all the infos you need. They are very transparent. They don't hide anything from you. They give you all the ingredients they use. Customer service is always there to help you in case you need some sort of help. And I know that you can purchase it directly from their official webpage as well. Also, like in the future, should you need a refund of some sort, it's everything you need is right here, okay? So rather than just type in Zencortex on the internet and go into the first webpage you see, go directly to their official webpage in order to make a safe and secure purchase. But in other words, what is Zencortex and why is Zencortex helping so many people, right? Now, we have to talk about its core ingredients. I have their official webpage open right here in front of me, and did you know that its core ingredients are basically ingredients that are so rich in anti-inflammatories and antioxidants compounds, such as grapeseed, which is an antioxidant that protects your ears. There is chromium that supports your auditory health. There is Gymnema sylvestre that supports your hearing. There is Panax ginseng, which gives you neuroprotective properties, as well as maca root to boost your energy. And it doesn't stop there. Another ingredient that is really great is actually green tea extract, which will help you improve your blood flow to your ears. I mean, I could just read the full list here, but it's a lot. I think you should pop by there afterwards. But it's like this, guys. Zencortex has all of these properties that were carefully studied and meshed up together to create this fantastic formula so that you don't have to deal with hearing loss anymore. And believe me, hearing loss is really annoying, right? I mean, the minute you start facing hearing loss, it's like you're going to, little by little, you start to lose your mind, you start to lose your self-esteem because you don't really feel good about yourselves because you can't hear people. But I know that Zencortex can help you if you take this formula very seriously. I mean, when we talk about natural ingredients, it's really important to point out that you need to take it serious because you're not going to have amazing results overnight, okay? You got to remember that every day you're going to be filling that little glass dropper up, placing it into a huge glass of water, placing it directly in your mouths, or mixing it with tea, water, or juice. But every single day you got to take it. And the best way to take Zencortex is especially in the morning because it will provide you with energy levels to get you by the day. It will help you to reduce anxiety, stress, and it even has ingredients that help you increase your immunity. So Zencortex can truly help you. Now, imagine being able to hear people better, or like even if you're at a much older age, imagine being able to regain your hearing and be able to hear your grandchildren talk to you, you know? Imagine being able to just understand people talking like the first sentence without having them to repeat themselves. It's fantastic. That feeling you get that you don't need people to do things for you, that feeling you get that you can't understand what people are saying, I am pretty sure it's amazing, right? I have seen like little children or just, you know, teenagers already for the first time be able to hear their parents. Like, imagine that sensation, right? Where you can finally hear people's voice loud and clear without a hearing device or without asking someone to repeat themselves. Now, Zencortex is here to help you get rid of any types of inflammation that maybe your ears, your hearing are facing. It is here to help you restore your cognitive abilities, and better yet, it is here to prevent any future hearing loss. So if you have hearing loss right now, Zencortex is going to help you, you know, slowly but slowly help you to regain your hearing and prevent future hearing loss. So it's pretty amazing the way Zencortex work, and it's pretty amazing that it's here to help you, you know. Now let's talk about tinnitus, right? I mean, if you suffer with tinnitus, I don't have that, but I can imagine that it's the worst sensation ever. You're trying to focus on a task and you keep hearing that beeping sound, right? Maybe it's not even a beeping sound. Maybe it's like that ringing sound, that ticking sound. It is a sound that you hear deep down in your ears and you can't focus. It distracts you from your tasks. You know, some people can't even sleep at night properly because of tinnitus. So imagine having a solution that can help you get rid of that. Zencortex. Guys, if you are getting the picture here, Zencortex offers you with so many benefits. It's only like the only thing that is really like important for you to remember is that you gotta use it every day. Because I have seen people say, okay, I used Zencortex, but I didn't get results. But when these people talk about not getting results, they clearly show that they didn't use Zencortex every day. So as soon as you pop on their official webpage, you can see that you can purchase a 1-month supply, a 3-month supply, or a 6-month supply. The manufacturers who created Zencortex, they recommend that in order for your body to fully absorb it up and fully get results, you need to take it for 3 or 6 months without any interruptions. Every day, fill that little glass dropper up, pop it in your mouths, and swallow. If you don't like the taste, mix it in some sort of beverage, all right? But please, not beer. Anyways, guys, Zencortex is here to help you restore your hearing and imagine living a life where you don't need hearing devices anymore, where you're not feeling ashamed because you can't understand what someone is saying to you. And also, it is here to help you fix up your cognition. So take it seriously, okay? If you know someone who is struggling with hearing disorders and maybe they are taking medications that have way too many chemicals, recommend Zencortex. You know, this is going to be a life changer for so many people. So many people are already doing their treatment with it. Others have already finished. This is something that is truly here to help you. So give it a shot, because I know you're not going to regret it. Take your treatment very seriously. And also remember, this is something that is plant ingredients only. No synthetic additives, no GMOs, no stimulants, no gluten, non-habit forming. No side effects, okay? So give Zencortex a shot, because you're not going to regret it. And you also have a 60-day money-back guarantee in case you need a refund. That is a total of 2 months. So in 2 months of using Zencortex, if you don't get the desired results you were seeking, simply talk to customer service and they're going to help you get your money back, man. So think about that, all right? For now, that is it. I hope I managed to help you guys out somehow. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.